Hello again everyone. I know I had promised a watercolour as my next video, but the weather has been so nice the last couple of days, so I simply put up the garage door and got into some woodworking instead. Today I will show you the new addition to my wine cellar, some DIY wooden beer storage crates, all ready for the upcoming home brew. For this build I used two of the Euro style pallets which were being given away for free by a local business, and simply stripped them down with a hammer and pry bar, being sure to remove all the nails. I will spare you the hassle of watching the build process, as they were fairly basic crates. 95% of the cuts were just straight rip and cross cuts at the table saw with simple screw fixings. No wood glue was used. And this is what I came up with. 3 separate crates that are able to be stacked on top of each other, and a lid to finish off the top. I made some cardboard inserts to separate the bottles and cut down on the noise. I also transfer printed some beer brand logos onto thin plywood to try and jazz it up a bit. If you have never done this before, there are plenty of YouTube videos showing various methods of transfer printing onto wood. I hope you like this build and it inspires you to get out and do some woodworking of your own. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and please leave a comment or leave us a thumbs up. Next video will definitely be an urban sketch watercolour, I promise. Bye for now.